Yeah, horrific details, Monica. Today we got our first look at that mother and father now charged in connection with the death of their son, who's just over 1 year old, as the prosecutor and the police both lay out their plans, how they'll handle this case going forward, and what they saw when they entered that hotel room back on Sunday. Sitting side by side in an Oakland County jail, Isaiah Porras and his wife Amanda learned their charges, which include murder and child abuse.
This is a felony punishable by life without parole.
And for Amanda, accessory after the crime. All of this connected to what was discovered on Sunday at the Motel 6 off Grand River in Farmington Hills. Police brought there to do a welfare check on the couple's son, Isaiah Daniel Porras.
Family had become concerned with the safety of Daniel based on recent contacts with his parents.
Police say they spoke with the parents outside the hotel. The Oakland County prosecutor says the mom tried to mislead police,
indicating they had given the child away when in fact the baby Isaiah was covered in blankets in the hotel room.
In court, the prosecution says both parents confessed to their role of abuse, leading to the 1-year-old's death.
Isaiah was covered from head to toe in bruises and suffered such trauma and blunt force trauma injuries that result in a subdural hematoma to his brain, ultimately resulting in his death.
Adding that Amanda never tried to stop the attacks of her own son.
While observing the child beaten and convulsing, that she did not call 911, she did not seek medical assistance for her child, that she was with the child and didn't do anything to assist.
Police say the couple were living at the Motel 6 for an extended period of time. Their attorney says they were trying to start a self-help business.
He currently is developing his own company, Mindset University.
Videos like this.
Some people started telling us, like, why are you guys living out of a hotel? You guys should be probably getting a business space. You know, all sorts of stuff that, you know, people just come up with in their minds. I don't know where they get this negativity from.
Posted to their Facebook pages back up those claims.
So for the people who are looking for a new career, you guys need to reach out to the people who are already on that path and has achieved the levels that you guys are at.
And police say even though they see the worst of the worst some days, what they found on Sunday stands apart.
It is magnified significantly when it's a child.
And the judge says after hearing just some of the details in this case, she could not issue a bond in this case. Therefore, both the suspects, the mother and the father, will stay in the Oakland County Jail until at least their next court hearing that's set for later this month. Reporting live in Farmington Hills, Dave Spencer, Fox 2 News.
Well, it is so difficult to hear those details. Did anyone at the hotel know this couple? Were there any red flags that something was going on inside?
We did spend a significant amount of the day there at the hotel trying to find people. We managed to speak with one person off camera who said he did know them. In fact, he lent them $20 to buy so the mom could buy baby food for that child. He said he was very surprised by the allegations and surprised further still by the crime.
Our hearts break for the loss of that little boy. All right, thanks for that live report, Dave.